You will be amazed by this 2024 Hyundai Elantra Hybrid. This sleek Elantra Hybrid delivers eco-friendly fuel efficiency and a stylish, well-appointed cabin, all at a surprisingly affordable price. Its user-friendly touchscreen infotainment system, roomy cabin, and standard driver assist safety features help you make the most of your daily drive. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, cooled front seat, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat. Feel smart and stylish in this super efficient Elantra Hybrid. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.